All right, I'm making this video because I've received a few questions about how to submit assignment number 2. So I'm going to explain that. First, I'll show you where I'm at. I'm in lesson for day 4, which you can find under day 4, right? So clicking here takes you to the lesson, and then under assessment, we have the assignment. We have a link to where you're going to be creating your family health history. And then I've got some other instructions with regards to what you're going to do with that information once you collect it. So the first thing you're going to do is create your family history. This takes you to a website where you can basically just create your family health history. You're going to include your name, your gender, date of birth, and then some information about your own health. And once you do that, you're going to get something like this, where you have your family, so yourself. The pencil means that you can edit or update their history. When you click on that, you're going to put in the name of your whoever, right? My dad's name is Vincenzo. I can fill in some information about him, which I've already done. And you're going to do that for each and every member of your immediate family. And then you're going to look at your father's side of the family, your mother's side of the family, and if you have any cousins who are suffering from some sort of condition, you can add them by clicking on Add Family Member, and then first cousin, you can choose where they came from. So I know that I have a cousin from a maternal uncle with a condition, and so I can include that here. And their name will show up in your family history. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to export it, and there's two things that are generated from the data that you include. So once you've updated all the family history for your family, click on Family Health Table, and it will show you this, right? All the people that you've included, and anyone who has had a heart attack, a heart disease, stroke, brain attack, diabetes, and so on. That information will be included, and when you click print, it will show you the printable version of your document. Now, you're not actually going to print it. What you're going to do is, again, I'm using a Mac, but there should be some kind of option for you to open a PDF of the file that you want to create. And once you've opened this, then you can save it. And once you save it, or export it as a PDF, save it somewhere. I'm going to save it in my downloads as my family health portrait, save as a PDF, and now I know where it is, and now I know where to find it. You can also create your pedigree, which is this image of your family tree, but that really doesn't tell you who's got what condition. So it's fun to look at, and using this program, it's helpful, but when you print it off as a PDF, it's not really helpful. So that's it. Once you've saved that PDF, you're going to go to the lesson, click on the Dropbox, and that PDF is going to be included in where you submit it. So Dropbox folder is assignment number 2 here. This is the teacher version, so it looks a little bit different, but in addition to submitting the PDF of your family health history chart, you're also going to submit answers to the questions that I'm going to show you here. So once you've created your family health history, that chart, you're going to examine what medical conditions run in your family. You're going to choose a condition that is hereditary, so a condition that runs in your family. If there aren't any in your family, or if you would prefer to keep your family's medical history private, Then you can choose a hereditary condition that you're interested in, and then you're going to conduct some research. And this research is also going to be submitted. So the things that you have to include in Dropbox number 2 will be a PDF file with your family health history chart and a Word document or a PDF exported, which includes your family health history. Okay. So some people have already submitted the PDF with their health portrait and their answers to the questions. That's what I'm interested in you submitting. I hope this answers any questions about what needs to be done for assignment number 2. The deadline is Tuesday at 9 p.m. Thank you.